Hi, I'm Holly from the Primal Desire. Today we're going to make some chicken wings, Sumac chicken wings. Not only are these keto friendly, they're also approved for an autoimmune protocol. Ooh. Really easy recipe. We have a little less than 12 wings, which is about a pound, sumac seasoning, salt, pepper, lemon juice, garlic, and parsley. That's all you need. Gonna harvest some parsley for our recipe. I love having fresh herbs. I have some herb shears. You can trim them at the leaf or at the base. I like the way it looks for the plant when they're at the base. Hardly even know we did anything. Because I like the way it looks when I trim it at the base, I have to take it off the stems before I use it. You can put the stems in soups and stews or things like that, but they can be chewy and pokey. Once I have all of the stems taken down, the leaves off the stems, you can throw that in your discarded veggie bag in your freezer for soup stocks. This is exciting for me. You can use fresh or dried herbs. If you're using dried herbs, use a quarter of the amount that the recipe calls for. Dried herbs are quite a bit more concentrated than fresh herbs. So, these wings were previously frozen. They're in a Ziploc bag. So 1 teaspoon of sumac spice in with the chicken wings. And then I will also put a teaspoon into a metal bowl. When the wings are done cooking, we'll finish them and toss them in the same marinade. Just a wee bit of pepper, kind of like some grinding, some two or three grinds. It's important to salt your chicken wings. Half a teaspoon of salt. And the same in metal bowl for later. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, however you'd like, fresh minced or roasted garlic is really good in this recipe as well. So 1 teaspoon in there, and 1 teaspoon for the final product. And then lemon juice, you can either use fresh squeezed lemon with some lemon rind or already done lemon juice. You need a tablespoon of lemon juice. It's going to help the sumac and the garlic really stick to those wings. And then 1 tablespoon of parsley, and we're just going to put that in the final toss. It gives a great color on the wings. It's not necessary for the baking process. So once you've got all of the things combined in there, you can do this in a bowl, but I've already got a dirty Ziploc bag here. Let's give it a good shake. I've got a sheet pan with some parchment paper over top, and that's just because it's so much easier to clean that way. So you lay these chicken wings out. Are you a wingy or a drummy kind of person? I personally prefer the wingies. I like to get right in there in between the meat, in between the bones, and dig out that meat. So if Raj isn't paying attention, he ends up with all the drummies. Now we can heat the oven. I like to use convection bake for the wings so that they get extra crispy. 350 degrees. Fahrenheit. Now that the oven is hot and ready for insertion, put these bad boys into the oven and let the oven do its magic work. Okay, Google, set timer 45 minutes. And now we wait. Have a few minutes while your chicken wings are cooking. Check out this recipe for sumac onions, because they go amazingly on top. Okay, Google, stop timer. Look at these beauties. They look so crispy and delicious. So you could just eat them straight up like this, but I like to toss them in just a little bit more lemon juice, the parsley, the sumac, and the garlic. There's also some salt and pepper in there. Now, if you're doing an autoimmune protocol, omit the black pepper. I think it's really neat how the sumac spice makes the garlic turn purple. And these bad boys are ready to eat. So delicious. And just a couple of those sumac onions on top. Give you a mouth orgasm. I'm drooling so bad right now. Oh my gosh. I wish there was smell-o-vision. So, how do you eat your chicken wings? Comment below. Do you eat them with something? Straight up, dipping sauce? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Claw at that bell button so you don't miss another video from us. Subscribe, share, comment. There's so many things for you to do. But I'm not the boss of you. Do what makes you happy. Give her one of these. Really like this lipstick. It's Beautycounter lipstick. Hi, I'm Holley. What do you think about this red lipstick? I don't usually wear lipstick, and I kind of love it, but I'm not totally sure. Tell me in the comments below. Yay! It's hard to watch somebody else raise the roof and not do it yourself.
Right?
You're like, oh, that's what we're doing now. Yeah. Yeah, we are. Yeah. Okay, I'm done.